making a keto goulash with gluten-free macaroni. Stay tuned. Goulash originates from medieval Hungary and was originally prepared by herdsmen and cowboys because it was a hearty and fulfilling meal. Today, goulash is a national dish of Hungary and a symbol of the country, and I thought, wouldn't it be lovely to make a keto version? Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. Now in this video we are making a keto goulash, but I'm also going to show you how to prepare dinner for yourself and for your family in 20 minutes. Your shopping list and nutritional information is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. Over a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan, then 1/3 cup of diced onions, and we're just going to let that saute a little bit. Now for our seasonings, we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic granules, and you can use garlic powder as well, it's the same amount. A teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, and 1/2 pound or 454 grams of ground beef, and break up the meat. As you break up the meat, coat the meat with the seasonings as well. My meat has been cooking for about 5 minutes and you can see it's relatively brown. Add a can of crushed tomatoes and a tablespoon of tomato paste, and we're just going to give this a stir. Add 1 1/4 cups of beef broth. At this point, if you're cooking for yourself and your family, you would fish some sauce out for yourself and add penne or macaroni to this dish, and it would cook in the broth. Okay, the goulash for the family's been cooking for about 10 minutes and it's reduced lovely to a thick kind of sauce, and it's ready. Top it off with some cheddar cheese or cheese of your choice and some chopped fresh parsley. You would bake this in a 350 oven for about 10 minutes, and look at this, beautiful for your family. Here's the remaining goulash sauce, and we're preparing this once for you for keto. And now we're going to add 1 portion of the gluten-free macaroni, and just keep stirring until your macaroni is cooked. Oh my God, look at it guys, it's so beautiful. Actually, my daughter had a taste of this gluten-free macaroni and she said it tastes exactly like the real thing. She couldn't tell the difference. If you feel like it's getting a bit dry, just add a little water. Just gonna speed this a little bit so the steam stays in and cooks your macaroni further. Alright, my goulash has been cooking for about 3 minutes, and I'll show you how soft this macaroni is. It's quite ready. I'll break one. Awesome. Turn off the heat now and transfer to an oven safe dish. Spread 1/3 cup of cheddar over your goulash. And lastly, some parsley, and if you're in a rush, you could always melt the cheese in the microwave. Otherwise, in the oven at 350 for a few minutes. Check this out, while I was making my keto goulash, the cheese melted over the family one. I didn't even do anything to it yet. It looks fantastic just the way it is. And here is dinner for keto and dinner for your family fresh out the oven. And that is my keto goulash with macaroni, dinner for one. It's quite a large portion. Doesn't this keto goulash look gorgeous? And just in 20 minutes and your whole family's feed. I hope this video was useful for you and you get to make this national Hungarian dish. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.